Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to cut clips in Premiere Pro in just a few simple steps. First, make sure you have your video clip added to the timeline. To start cutting, you'll want to use the razor tool. You can select it by clicking the razor icon in the toolbar. Once selected, position the razor tool over the part you want to make your cut and click on the clip. Now, if you want to trim off parts of the video, switch back to the selection tool by either clicking it or pressing the V key. Then, simply click and drag the ends of your clip to adjust the length. If you want to remove a section entirely, make 2 cuts to isolate the part you want to delete. Select that section and press Delete while holding down the Shift key on your keyboard. Holding down the Shift key when deleting a part of the clip automatically closes the gaps in the timeline. And that's it. You now know how to cut and trim clips quickly in Premiere Pro. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.